All right. So when it comes to dealing with late payments, right? Um, a lot of us think that, late payments are supposed to be reported, but the law says late payments are actually legal, right? So you need to enforce and demand what you need done. So this is who you're writing, to whom it may concern, right? You can send this letter to the furnisher, which is whichever company, XYZ company, that's furnishing the information on the consumer report, right? So let's say XYZ Financing is reporting it to Experian, right? You can send this letter to both of them, right? I recently received a copy of my Experian, TransUnion, Equifax credit report, and I noticed some late payments posted on my credit report, right? You're gonna list right here, you're gonna list the accounts. Your company is in clear violation of the law. Um, Under 15 USC 1681B, permissible purpose of a consumer reports, the law clearly states, in general, subject to subsection C, any consumer reporting agency may furnish a consumer report under the following circumstances and no other. Number two, in accordance with the written instruction of the consumer to whom it relates, right? Did I give written instruction to furnish this on my credit report? Or you could put to furnish this account, you can put account there, account on my credit report. Furthermore, the Fair Credit Reporting Act 15 USC 1681 2A1 under the exclusion section. So exclusions from a consumer credit report clearly state, except as provided in paragraph 3, the term consumer report does not include, subject to subsection 1681S3 of this title, report containing information solely as a transactions or experiences between the consumer and the person making the report. Now, if you go back to your definition section, person can either mean the natural person, a corporation, government entity, and so on. So basically, what they're saying, a late payment is transaction or experiences between the consumer, which the consumer is defined as the natural person, and the person making the report. So XYZ company. So it's important that you understand the meaning of words. So right here, it's saying, hey, that's a transaction or experience between the consumer and the person. It's not supposed to be on there. Delete the above late payment from my consumer report. This agency is in violation of 15 USC 1681. Now, you're not telling them to delete the account. You want them to delete the above late payments if you want to keep the account. So you can go two ways with this. You can have them delete the account, or you can have them delete the late payments from your account. Two different things, all right? And then it goes on to say, fail to respond, you can take legal action because they are in violation of the law. And the law says under civil liability, if you read the portion that says 15 USC 1681N, it's going to basically tell you what you're entitled to under the civil liability section, all right? So that's it. That's how you really get rid of late payments, by really enforcing the law and letting them know that you know what you're talking about. All right. So that's it for late payments.